President has signed Administrative Order 38, pushing for sports tourism. So the Philippine Sports Commission with the Department of Tourism, DILG, DBN, PAGCOR, and CHESA, they're all our partners in sports tourism. We are excited because I'm sure other NSAs, we have more than 30 sports tourism international events in the Philippines in 2026 alone. And we will host again the Women's Championship of Volleyball in 2029. 32 countries will host Asian Women's Basketball in Cebu in 2027. We will even host 16 countries Sepak Takraw this November. Yes, you heard it right, Sepak Takraw. We hosted Sambo. We hosted 2 gymnastics. We hosted Karate Youth. When we hosted Karate Youth, ladies and gentlemen, 3,000 kids from 90 countries visited the Philippines. This was just 3 months ago. When you have 3,000 kids below 18 visiting the country, you can bet your last centavo that kid is with the father and the mother and the lolo and the lola and the sister and the brother. So that's 3,000 kids playing in the Philippines and staying for more than 7 days. So that is the beauty of sports tourism, and I don't have to preach to the choir. We are all believers of sports tourism. So I am just here to tell you that we have budgeted a very big amount of funds to continue sports tourism in the Philippines. Our legislators, our senators, they understand their commitment to give more funding to sports tourism in the Philippines. And not just Metro Manila. We have to go to Clark, Subic, Palawan, Cebu, Boracay, Davao, and all other, Bacolod, and all other areas, because it really gives that economic development. And soon, I see the president of fencing here. Soon we'll do fencing. Soon we'll do handball, Sir Steve, and Doc will do handball too, and all other sports. Yan po ang promisa namin sa inyo. Yan po ang promisa namin sa Philippine Sports Commission, because it is a perfect collaboration between the Philippine Sports Commission and the Department of Tourism and the LGUs. Once again, Sir Charles, thank you for this opportunity. Congratulations to all the winners. And mabuhay po tayong lahat. Magandang gabi po.